a strong Splish Splash. Geranium Striatum, often sold as Splish Splash. So if you grow white geraniums and if you grow purple geraniums, the pratense species that is, you will end up with this cross, which is quite stunning. And some of the crosses have more purple in than white. Sometimes these guys suffer from mildew, so they do need to be watered and established quite well. But this is a seedling here, because obviously there's hundreds of geraniums in this garden. So the pratense, as I say, the meadow cranes build the purple one that I grow, has crossed with the white one over the years, so I get lots of these appear. But when you get lots of purple, they're very much nicer. Well, some people don't like that variegation. Who cares? The pollinators love it. I'll show you.